Okay, so today we are looking at a discussion string for Replit, and for this string I used maybe the idea that a psychologist would be doing testing on a patient if they're maybe a psychology teacher or something of that sort, and they had to, input a grade for an assignment or whatever testing they would like to do. So in this test, I have the grade input of like what grade did you make on the psychology test. And when we look at that, we're going to run that really quick. So if you see, and it says IF for if, and then the if grade, like for passing, would be like a 65. So if I put 78 maybe, I'm going to click enter. And then it'll say, congratulations, your grade was passed. And then I'm going to run it one more time. And then we have to think of what might happen if, you fail it, like you don't do well on it. So we're going to put something less than 65. So I'm going to put a 50. So it says, oh no, you did not pass. You'll need to retake that. So that is what happens with our string discussion. Now I'm going to go in here, click on our capstone area. We're going to delete this right here. So for this, our loop discussion, I honestly did have a hard time finding a loop for a psychology professor, but I figured anything with numbers you can do with the graphs, and graphs is used a lot in the psychology profession. So right here, I'm going to copy and paste that right in here. So I had an indent right there, but I just had to uh, back that right on up. So I'm going to click run here, and it'll create this loop. So this right here goes 0 to 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 1 to 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. So this is a numerical loop, and you can do this with any other number. I can try to do this right here. Maybe do it with 5. Switch this to 5 as well. Run it, and then it just gets longer. So this is this left side of the numbers will only go to the number before that, so it only goes to 4. But maybe if I try to do another one like 9, just to see how long I can actually make it, it'll get very, very long. So as you can see, this is a consistent loop. As long as you change the number, it'll just keep getting bigger and bigger. And this can be used in the psychology area if they maybe need to switch some data around, build some graphs, and maybe do some organization when it comes to patients. Thank you.